Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram.
Today we are making something delicious, fragrant, and totally addicting. Coconut Pandan Waffles, also known as Bánh Kẹp. It is a Vietnamese inspired twist on waffles. It is crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, with beautiful green color and coconut flavor. So y'all,
let's get started.
In a large mixing bowl, whisk 2 eggs and sugar together until well combined. Then add in the oil, coconut milk, and pandan extract. Mix that until smooth. Now, sift the dry ingredients into the wet batter: tapioca starch, all-purpose flour, rice flour, baking powder, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Mix until you get a smooth batter. Make sure to not overmix. It should be a little thick but pourable. Now add in half a cup of coconut flakes. Give the batter one quick mix and let it rest 15 minutes to an hour to achieve that fluffy texture. Preheat your waffle maker to high heat and lightly grease it with cooking spray. Once it's hot, pour in just enough batter to cover the bottom. Don't overfill or it will overflow. Then, immediately, close the lid and flip over to make sure the batter is evenly distributed. Cook for about 4 to 6 minutes, or until your waffle is golden brown and crispy. Once ready, remove the waffle to a cooling rack and repeat the process with the remaining batter. These pandan waffles are so good, slightly sweet, chewy in the middle, and the coconut and pandan together, chef's kiss. If you love the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Asian-inspired treats, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.